Trevor here to talk about the new and improved way to light yourself up during video calls. Meet the Video Conference Lighting Kit LITE Edition from LumeCube. We've utilized edge-lit technology to develop a portable but powerful video call light that is easy on the eyes. This thing gives off an incredibly soft and flattering light to help you shine on video calls, webinars, live streams, and much, much more. The LITE Edition is available in two different versions. We have our Video Conference Lite and our Video Conference Lite S. And the only difference here is the S model comes with a tabletop stand. If you purchase the Video Conference Lite, but yet you still want to add this tabletop stand, head over to lumecube.com where we sell this item separately. When you open up your VCLITE, you will find the light itself, a suction cup mount, a USB-C recharge cable, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter. When you open up the Video Conference Lite S box, you'll find all the same things, but with an adjustable tabletop stand and an adjustable swivel head that you can add on top of your stand. When it's time to fire up your light, you'll want to locate the blue button and hold on it for 3 seconds. Straight off the bat, you'll notice the light gets very bright, yet it's easy to look at. This is the edge-lit technology at work. You'll also notice the LCD screen on back turns on. This is where you can see your settings like brightness, warmth, and how much battery life you have left. To adjust the warmth and the brightness of your light, you will use the adjustment dial on side. Pushing the adjustment dial up towards the plus sign will increase the brightness or cool down the color temperature, making it more of a white light. And vice versa, if you push the adjustment dial down towards the minus sign, you will decrease your brightness or warm your light up. And to toggle between these two settings, you will tap the blue button once, and you will find the little indication triangle on your back screen will bounce back and forth between each one. That's how you know which setting you are adjusting. And keep in mind, as you adjust your brightness, you will also see your battery indicator on back changing. The brighter you go with your light, the shorter battery life you have left. Keep in mind, your light will last about 1.2 hours on full brightness. And if you want to run it for longer durations, you can always leave it plugged in and charging to run it indefinitely. Now, when it's time to charge your video conference light, simply locate the USB-C port on side and insert the included USB-C charging cable. And to confirm your light is charging, check the screen on the back. There will be a percentage. Once that percent is at 100%, you are fully charged up and ready to go. And if you want to charge your light from USB-C to USB-C, simply use the included USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now that you know how to use the light, let's get into some mounting options. First, we have the suction cup mount, which is included in both the Lite and the Lite S edition. And this is really great to mount your light to any flat surface, like a laptop, desktop, or iPad. Before mounting to your device, make sure the surface is dust-free and nice and clean. To use the suction cup mount, simply screw your video conference light onto the top of the screw on the suction cup. You can then use the tension disc to angle your light in the desired direction. Once you've found the location you want to mount to, make sure you lift up the latch, press the suction cup against the surface, and then close the latch shut. And to remove the suction cup, the opposite applies. Simply lift up the latch and remove the suction cup from your flat surface. Then when it's time to mount to your tabletop stand, simply locate the screw on top of your stand and mount your video conference light straight to it. You can also use the adjustable swivel head on top if you would like to angle your light. The same concept applies here. Grab your swivel head, locate the top of your stand, and screw it on clockwise until it is secure. And if you wear glasses while you're on a video call, we highly recommend you use this swivel head because we recommend you place your light up as high as possible and shining down on you to remove the glare from the frame of your glasses. Keep in mind, the legs on the base of your tabletop stand also extend. So if you wanted a bit more sturdy base or you want your light to be up a bit higher, simply pull on the legs of your tabletop stand and they will extend. Then to place the legs back to their original position, locate the little tab on the underside of the legs, give it a push, and slide the legs right back in. And lastly, to extend the height of your tabletop stand, simply pull up on the top of it and it will extend up just like so. We hope this video helped you get a better understanding of the LumeCube Video Conference Lighting Kit LITE Edition. If you have any further questions, reach out to support@lumecube.com or post your question in the LumeCube community group on Facebook. We'll see you next time.